Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
In addition to quick reports that you can view on any selected data or any displayed form, QuickBooks also provides dozens of preset reports you can view, customize, and save as your own custom reports. The preset reports include many different types of standard business reports like the profit and loss report, balance sheet report, accounts receivable reports, sales reports, accounts payable reports, inventory reports, and many other types of useful business reports. The Reports menu within the menu bar groups the preset reports into 12 major categories. To access any report in QuickBooks, click the Reports command in the menu bar, roll your mouse pointer over the desired report category, and then click the name of the report that you want to open from the side menu of report choices that appears. The Company and Financial category includes the profit and loss reports that give you a global view of your company's income, expenses, and net profit or loss over a specified period of time. It also includes the balance sheet reports that show the financial position of your business by listing assets, liabilities, and equity. It also includes the Statement of Cash Flows report that shows the net change in your cash during a period of time. The Customers and Receivables category contains reports about the receivables side of your company, which invoices are due or overdue, how much each customer owes, and so forth. The Sales category contains reports about what you sold and to whom. The Jobs, Time, and Mileage category, which is only in QuickBooks Desktop Pro or higher, contains reports about the status and profitability of the jobs or projects you track. The Vendors and Payables category contains reports about the payables side of your business, for example, which bills are due or overdue, to whom those bills are paid, and so forth. The Purchases category contains reports about your purchase orders and purchase information. The Inventory category contains reports to help you with inventory tracking. The Employees and Payroll category summarizes the information you need to pay your current payroll liabilities and fill out your tax forms. The Banking Report category contains reports about banking, for example, check details, deposit details, and missing check reports. The Accountant and Taxes category contains reports helpful to your accountant and also tax reporting. This includes income tax summary, income tax detail, general ledger, journal, transaction journal, and audit trail reports. The Budgets category shows how your income and expenses compare to the budgets you have set up. The List category lets you report on any information stored in a QuickBooks list.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.